starting. Say hi. Yes, hi. Why are you scared? Oh, come on, this way. You really need to keep doing this way? Just really, wow. Okay, Goro, come. I got it. Goro, come. Goro, come.
What?
Got a challenge for you. Come on. He's scared always. Goro, come on. Goro.
Okay, just a second.
3, 2. What happened now? 1. See that thing from there next to the hammer? You put the phone right there so we can see what you're just doing, okay? Ready?
Alright.
3, 2, 1, go! No, right there, up there next to the hammer. Put it there. Next to the hammer, next to the hammer. No, the hammer is right there.
No!
Yes.